the way that you assign articles in Humanagement is you have these assign boxes, right? So all you have to do is click in here and then map assign to everyone in Division 7. So any employees that are in that division will be assigned that article. If I assign it to a CEO, then anyone with the post title of CEO will then be assigned that as well. So you have a pretty easy run of that. And then if an employee is moved in or out of that role, then they'll be unassigned or assigned. So it kind of works smart like that. If I go over to courses, and then I go over to, I want to edit one of these. So as I add employees in here, the employees will show up. Who it's been assigned to. I can then also assign it to an individual position, and it works the exact same way. So in here, it's only showing the ones assigned by division, not by positions. That's it yet. And then if I go into a course from this user progress, right? So if I'm in the course admin area and go to user progress, then I can see everyone who's been assigned it and I can see their progress. If I go to here, I can then see, let's say I add another division, then it'll update and show this list. So this is everyone who's assigned it. So if I were to remove the division, but then let's say go over to a position and then add some people in there, then it also will show up here. So here you see the full view, and you can always update this really easily. And there you go. That's assigning in Humanagement.